Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the washer lid lock in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a putty knife and mallet. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Using the putty knife, release the two retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top and set it upside down on a towel or blanket. Lift up the main top and use the mallet to tap the rear of the old lock assembly to detach. To install the new washer lid lock, insert the front tab into the main top first, then align and slide the assembly down to lock it into place. Returning to the appliance, reinstall the main top by first connecting the lid lock assembly wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.